Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies without vanilla extract. You can easily achieve rich, flavorful cookies using simple alternatives. We'll explore various ingredients that add depth and warmth, ensuring your cookies are just as delightful. Get ready to transform your baking with these creative and accessible flavor boosters, making every bite a memorable experience. Spices are fantastic for adding complexity. Try adding 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for a warm, inviting flavor. A 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg can introduce a subtle, sweet earthiness. For a more adventurous twist, a pinch of ground cardamom offers a bright, citrusy aroma. These spices blend beautifully with chocolate, creating a truly unique and comforting cookie experience. Beyond spices, other extracts and zests can shine. A 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract provides a lovely nutty depth. For a festive touch, a few drops of peppermint extract work wonders, especially with dark chocolate. Freshly grated orange or lemon zest, about 1 teaspoon, adds a vibrant, tangy brightness that cuts through the richness, making your cookies truly pop. When experimenting, always start small, perhaps with 1/2 teaspoon of your chosen flavor. Remember to taste your dough before baking to ensure the flavor balance is just right. A tiny pinch of extra salt, about 1/8 teaspoon, can also enhance and balance the overall sweetness. These simple adjustments will help you create perfectly flavored, vanilla-free chocolate chip cookies every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.